Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add Venmo as a payment method to your Shopify store, giving your customers more flexibility when checking out. First, log into your Shopify account and go to Settings. In the menu, click Payments, which sits between Users and Permissions and Checkout. This is where you manage all payment gateways for your store. Next, click Add Payment Method. You can search either by payment provider or method. If you type Venmo, it won't appear directly. That's because Venmo is integrated through a platform called 2C2P. Click on 2C2P, which supports multiple payment methods, including Venmo, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, JCB, and more. To activate, just click Install or Activate if it's already installed. And that's it. Venmo is now ready for your customers to use. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips.